Hi, I'm Garlic, small but mighty. Let's jump inside your body and see what I do. I support your immune defenses, helping your body respond to everyday germs. Garlic has natural compounds that may help fight unwanted microbes over time. I can support heart health by helping blood flow stay smooth and steady. That smoother flow may also support healthier blood pressure for some people. Garlic may help support healthier cholesterol patterns as part of a balanced diet. It may help calm inflammation signals, making the body feel less irritated. I bring antioxidants that help protect your cells from daily oxidative stress. And I can support digestion, helping your gut feel more comfortable. For best flavor, crush or chop garlic first, then let it rest a few minutes. Sauté gently until fragrant and lightly golden. Don't burn it or it turns bitter. Roast a whole bulb for a sweet, creamy spread that's super easy. Add roasted garlic to soups and stews for deeper flavor and comfort. Mix it into simple dressings to boost taste without heavy sauces. Stir it into a quick yogurt dip for a savory snack that feels light and fresh. Pickled garlic adds a tangy crunch, great as a quick side or topping. If your stomach is sensitive, start small. Too much garlic can feel harsh. If you take blood thinners or have surgery soon, be cautious with large amounts. And remember, strong garlic can affect breath and reflux. Portion size matters. Want more helpful health tips? Like the video and follow our channel. Bye-bye.